हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल टारगेट विद वीर। आज इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी सीजीएल 2019 में आए हुए जीके के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। यह इस सीरीज़ का हमारा सेकंड पार्ट है। अगर आपने पहला पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो पहले उसे देख लीजिए। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है, द लेक इन गुजरात वाज एन आर्टिफिशियल रिजर्वायर built during the rule of Mauryas? Then its answer is Sudarshan. Next question. Was the capital of Magad before the 4th century BC? Then its answer is Rajgir. Next question. Which of the following is not a folk dances belonging to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Then its answer is दांगी। ये तीनों हाफिज़ा, धूमल, रौफ ये जम्मू कश्मीर के हैं और दांगी इसका नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल took charge as the Chief of Army Staff on 31st December 2019. Then its answer is Manoj Mukund Narwane. Next question. The Harshcharita is a biography of Harshvardhan, the ruler of Kannauj, composed in Sanskrit by his court poet. Then its answer is कौन थे कोर्ट पोएट उनके? बाण भट्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। In biological terms, is a relationship between two organisms in which one organism benefits and the other is unaffected. Then its answer is commensalism. Commensalism. Next question. The 14th Dalai Lama resides in. Then its answer is Dharamsala. Next question. According to the United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospects Report 2019, the Indian economy is expected to expand by कितने परसेंट से 2020 में? Then its answer is 7.1%. Next question. In 4th century BC, the capital of Magd was shifted to. Then its answer is Patliputra. Next question. 10th. Article 17 of Constitution of India deals with the abolition of. Then its answer is untouchability. Next question. In April 2019, scientists produced the world's first 3D printed heart using human tissue. Then its answer is कहाँ के थे? Israel. Next question. The Vedic civilization in India flourished along the river. Then its answer is Saraswati. Next question. Expansion makes the Eiffel Tower taller than summers. कौन सी एक्सपेंशन के कारण होता है? तो then its answer is thermal. Next question. King Harshvardhan ascended the throne of Thaneswar and Kannauj on the death of his brother. Then its answer is Rajyavardhan. Rajyavardhan. Next question. 15. Who was the president of World Bank Group as of January 2020? Then its answer is David Malpass. Next question. Who among the following is an Indian Olympic archer and Padma Shri winner? Then its answer is Limba Ram. Next question. In May 2019, the International Monetary Fund agreed to bail out with a fund of 6 billion. Then its answer is Pakistan. Next question. Planetary scientists call the thin gaseous envelope around the moon as the. Then its answer is lunar exosphere. Next question. The major component of modern Olympic gold medal is. Then its answer is silver. Next question. The Gol Gumbaz of is the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah. Then its answer is Bijapur. Next question. Private ownership of the means of production is a feature of a economy. Then its answer is capitalist. Next question. Xerophthalmia is caused due to the deficiency of विटामिन. देन इट्स आंसर इज विटामिन ए. कौन से विटामिन के कारण होता है? विटामिन ए के कारण. जीरोथैल्मिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द बिराजा टेम्पल, द राजा रानी टेम्पल एंड समलेश्वरी टेम्पल आर लोकेटेड इन. देन इट्स आंसर इज उड़ीसा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच आर्टिकल्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोहिबिट्स discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth? Then its answer is Article 15. Next question. Asia's largest wholesale spice market is located in. Then its answer is Delhi. Next question. Which of the following is not a twin city of India? Then its answer is Thrissur and Thiruvalla. Thrissur and Thiruvalla. Next question. Who is the first Indian to bag 2 international hat-tricks in cricket? Then its answer is Kuldeep Yadav. Next question. Who chaired the 6th meeting of the Island Development Agency in New Delhi in January 2020? Then its answer is Amit Shah. Next question. In which state did the second phase of intensified mission Indradhanush 2.0 begin in January 2020? Then its answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who was chosen as an Foreign Secretary of India in January 2020? Then its answer is Harshvardhan Shringla. Next question. Which city of India is known as the Athens of East? Then its answer is Madurai. Next question. 7th. In which city was the Jhanda Satyagraha or Flag Satyagraha of 1923 held? Then its answer is Nagpur. Next question. Which part of the body is responsible for the manufacture of red blood cell? Then its answer is Kavantiya red blood cell, bone marrow. Next question. Which pillar inscription has recorded the achievements of Samudragupta, who was known as the Napoleon of India for his conquest? Then its answer is Allahabad pillar. Next question. Who was appointed as the managing director of International Monetary Fund in October 2019? Then its answer is Kristalina Georgieva. Next question. 11th. Which of the following is not a nationalized bank? Then its answer is State Bank of India. Next question. 12th. Jellyfish are an example of which type of phylum? Then its answer is phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria. Next question. 13. In which period was the legendary Victoria Terminus station, currently Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai, built? Then its answer is 1878 to 1888. Next question. Which tennis star will have a Swiss coin minted in his her honor? Then its answer is Roger Federer. Next question. In the sequence of planets in solar system, which planets come in between Mars and Saturn? Then its answer is Jupiter. Next question. 16. In which state has the Jawara dance and a dance form to celebrate wealth and originated? Then its answer is Madhya Pradesh. 17. Which Union Minister of Home Affairs released a book titled Kram Yodh Granth in New Delhi? Then its answer is Amit Shah. और किसके ऊपर है यह है नरेंद्र मोदी के ऊपर. Next question. Which city in India is world renowned for one of the most traditional embroidery styles, chikankari? Then its answer is Lucknow. Next question. 19th. John Maynard Keynes, best known for his economic theories, Keynesian economics, hailed from which country? Then its answer is England. Next question. 20. George Simon Ohm, in whose honor we have the famous Ohm law, hailed from which country? Then its answer is Germany. Next question. Who was the first governor of Madhya Pradesh? Then its answer is B.D. Sharma. नहीं, मध्य प्रदेश के B.D. शर्मा नहीं थे. मध्य प्रदेश के तो थे डॉक्टर सीतारमैया. Next question. 22. Freedom fighter Suchita Kriplani became the first woman chief minister of which state? Then its answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Methane is a colorless, odorless, non-toxic but flammable gas. What is in its common name? Then its answer is marsh gas. Next question. The development of a fruit without fertilization is called. Then its answer is parthenocarpy. Next question. Which US-based Indian topped the Forbes India 20 people to watch in the 2020 list? Then its answer is, किसने टॉप किया भाई? हसन मिनहाज. तो ये इस पार्ट का हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.